Welcome back to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a critical topic that affects many families in Texas: the impact of domestic violence on child custody decisions. I'm Christine Torres, and I'm excited to share with you some essential insights, real-life examples, and legal considerations to help you navigate these complex situations. Did you know in Texas, courts are actually prohibited from granting joint conservatorship if there has been domestic violence by one parent toward the other parent or the child? This is just one example of how seriously Texas courts treat domestic violence in child custody cases. In today's video, we'll explore how domestic violence can drastically impact custody decisions and what you can do to protect your rights and the best interests of your child. Let's start by defining domestic violence under Texas law. Domestic violence includes not only physical abuse, but also threats, emotional abuse, harassment, and other controlling behaviors. It's critical to understand Texas courts prioritize the safety and well-being of the child above all else, and that's why they take allegations of domestic violence so seriously. Now let's discuss some real-life examples that illustrate how domestic violence affects child custody in Texas. First, let's look at the story of Jane and her daughter. Jane had been a victim of abuse at the hands of her ex-husband for years, but she finally found the courage to leave him and file for divorce. Due to the history of domestic violence, the court granted Jane sole managing conservatorship and ordered her ex-husband to attend anger management classes. Next, we have Lisa, who faced a different challenge. Her husband had been abusive, but there was no record of the abuse. The court initially granted joint conservatorship, but after Lisa was able to provide evidence of the abuse, the court modified the custody order and granted her sole conservatorship. Beyond the loss of parental rights, such charges can lead to harsh penalties, including prison time and thousands of dollars in fines. It's important to remember parents accused or convicted of domestic violence still have legal rights, and they should seek legal counsel to help them navigate these difficult situations. It's also essential to understand the factors Texas courts consider when making custody decisions. The child's best interests are at the forefront, along with the relationship between the parents, the ability of each parent to care for the child, and any history of domestic violence. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the impact of domestic violence on child custody decisions in Texas. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding the legal implications of domestic violence can help you protect yourself and your children. For additional resources or to consult with an experienced family law attorney, visit the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's website. Until then, take care and stay informed.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.